You know I'm a husband and a dada. In other words, I got a wife, she my baby mama. So many people do anything for the commas. Ready to push your bean back when they draw the llama. You know I don't need that when it come to drama. But if I really need that, it's gonna be some drama. Man, I don't want no feedback, please believe that. High off life, don't care where the weed at. I try to be excellent when I represent, never hesitate when I represent. Ever since just to represent the one who opulent. I remember my background, it won't extravagant. Had to fight to be relevant, it was all for my betterment. It was all for my betterment. It was all for my betterment. I realize, 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 I realize. If it wasn't for the Lord on my side, I don't know what I would do. I know for a fact he was right here with me all them times I was going through. If I had my face down, thinking God, I know he's still around, catching all my blessings like a school to touchdown. I got the hook up. When I'm going through, I look up. Hey. When you look up, tell me, what do you see? I can see myself past the clouds. When you look